Fix a broken iPhone screen. First step. Break your iPhone screen. Then you're going to want to get a piece of wood about the same size of the iPhone itself. So I'm just going to cut this piece real quick. Perfect. It's about the same size, I think. Let's find out. Perfect. Take the new piece of wood, put it directly on your iPhone, just like that. Then you're going to want to get a sledgehammer. Hello, my old friend. Then you're just going to want to... Now, if you look, this side is completely perfect, just like we had hoped. Now, next step. I know that was pretty difficult and you didn't understand completely what happened, but let me show you. What we did was we broke this iPhone right here because we don't need it anymore. Now we have a new iPhone. You're welcome.